Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you clicked on that thumbnail. Why? Because this artist, oh, she's well known among all the diamond painters. And she has taken it to the next level. And who grabbed onto her as she's soaring to the skies? Captured by Radiance. Yes. And so I want to show you what is in this box this very minute. And guess what? It is the series, The Winter Storybook. I know everybody's grabbing them as fast as they can, and I want you to grab this one because you will not be, you won't be disappointed. So let's turn this camera around, let's open this baby up, and let's see what Romantz Art has for us when she matches with Captured by Radiance. Mind blowing. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have dived into this box, this beautiful green Captured by Radiance box, and then on the top it has a sticker for you. So as you store it, you'll have great success in finding it again. It comes in this beautiful organza bag. Is that what this is called? It's been a long day. So it comes in this organza bag. We're going to open it up. What I like about this is that it's helps the environment. You're not dealing with as much plastic. We all want to make sure that we are here for the future. Comes with this lovely toolkit, also in a green organza bag. You're going to get, because this is a square painting, you're going to get sharp tweezers. You're also going to get the single placer normal pen. You're going to get a normal white tray. You're going to get the blue wax. Remember, back in the day, I'm old school diamond painter, back from 2017, 2018. We only had light pink wax. Everybody wanted the blue wax. When it came out, this time they give you 3 waxes. You're also going to get a random washi. You're going to get 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. Oh, if it focuses. You're going to get a squishy. And you're going to get this lovely cover minder. And this is true quartz. I think Captured by Radiance is the only one I know of that does this quartz versus plastic or different things like that. And so it just kind of helps, especially with the winter storybook. I mean, come on. You're out in the story itself. You're going to want some stones to help you. It has a soft lint fabric backing. Ooh, it's giving birth to square drills, 2 packages. And then, before we get too distracted, it has the serged edges. So if your painting decides it wants to get a little naughty, it won't fray. All right, so then you're also going to have Captured by Radiance Square 024, 1 or 2 of 2, and this is 1 of 2. So if you do store them separately, you will not lose the packaging. We're going to look at those drills in just a minute, okay? So this is Winter King's Storybook. This is Thornwhisper. It's licensed by Romantz Arts, and it has the SKU number square 024. This is a 60 by 80 centimeter. Now, Captured by Radiance has told me that most of the Winter King storybooks are going to be a 60 by 80, which I think is great for a series because as you do them, you can stack them in the same thing. You can switch them out on frames. If you get other frames or if you put them on poster board, then you're good. All right, I'm going to roll this the other way. You're like, oh, Jen, it's just white. We did not click on the thumbnail just to see the white backing. I mean, it's cool and all, but seriously. Yes, because it is poured glue, you can roll it the opposite way to help it lay flat more quickly. Okay, are you ready for the big reveal? Here we go. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to see what sparkles these women who own Captured by Radiance came up with. Another thing, these are true resin. I mean, we're not talking about just plastic. We're talking about resin, the best of the best color and sparkle. All right, so your key on the upper right side is upside down. That is not a mistake. They do that so that if you're like me with short arms and you flip your painting around, you can still see the symbols and the DMC colors in the correct way. Your color palette on the right side, or on the left bottom side, is correctly this way when you have the painting this way. This has 80 colors in it, people. 80. It's a 60 by 80 and it has 80 colors. Here's their little mission statement. Your masterpiece awaits. You also have an snap insurance and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Here is your social media connections. Please check out down below. I put a 15% off code for you. Go use it. You're going to need it because you're going to want to buy this ASAP. ASAP. You're also going to want to join the Facebook group link that I have down below because they give out special discounts as well and sneak peeks as more Winter King storybooks come out. You're going to want to grab them before they sell out. Let's see. Oh, I love the blues in here. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Okay. In the painting, this also came rolled up. Look, there. Isn't that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous? It has 76,800 diamonds. You can put your start time, finish time. Or if you want, you can take this sticker out yourself and put it in your journal. And then here are all your colors. And these can come out singly as you kit up or put on your plastic baggies. Okay, so here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 specials. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dust drills, and 1, 2, 3 metallics. 3 metallics and a partridge and a pear tree. Metallics are some of my favorite drills. Okay, so these are square. See here in the wrapping, look at all those beautiful colors. Now you guys are going to kill me because you're like, open it. But you can see the colors right through there. We're going to open the other one and show the specials. How many 310s are in here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags of 310s for this beautiful Thornwhisper. We were debating, this kind of looks like a lynx. It's got like the little feathers right here coming out the ears. One person thought when they first saw this that this little part was a mistake, but it's the back of his ear. Like over here and over here, it's kind of like the ear curls. This curls in as well, and this is the back to match his fur. So here we go. This is the 2 of 2. This is the one that has all the specials. So we're going to crinkle like it's Christmas and open this baby up. Okay. While I'm in here, I'm going to pull out a couple colors so you can see the richness of these colors. Look at how vibrant and fun these colors are. Probably help if I was in the camera, right? Ooh, so pretty. And then there's some that are deep and dark and rich. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then let's see what color starts the extra fun. Look at 71. Oh, there I did it. I divided it right there. 71. Now, secret, secret, secret. Guess what they call the dust drills? They call them unicorn poop. Do you know why? Because unicorns poop rainbows and glitter. So these are some of the fairy dust drills. I'm going to pour a couple out for you so you can see how much fun these drills can be. They have just a little bit of the mica powder. Glisten. It's kind of a silver. This one almost looks blue though. Let's get up close and personal. There you go. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, so where is 71? Where's 71 going? 71 is 38 or 318, and it's a triangle. I don't know where the triangle's hiding. We're going to have to explore where the triangle is. Choo-choo triangle. I don't know why I said choo-choo for a triangle, but you know, work with me, people. Work with me. This is the fun. Okay, down here. Looks like it's in a lot of the shading down here. Whoops, that's an A right here. Here, it's going to be down here. It's going to be through here. So it looks like a lot of the gray shading throughout the painting. Yes, I see it some in the fur as well. So then we have this beautiful yellow color, 444. This is going to be your bell. I almost wanted to say raindrops on roses, but that's not the word bell. Okay, where are you, bell? Okay, that's right here. So it's just some of the stars up in the sky. And we got, what have we got here? H. H is like an orange, not orange, like a yellow orange. 741. And that's like a weird looking H. And that's going to be right here, some of the other stars as well. Then we got 758. That's going to be a leaf. There's not a lot of it in comparison. So it looks like it's going to be more of an accent color, which is true. So it's right up here, and throughout here. It's over here in this, oops, in this inner area. Just trying to see if there's any more leafy poos here. Got the word leafy poo or from my friend Crashly. Okay, and then we got an orange here, 947. And that's going to be our butterflies. Where are you, butterflies? Okay, over here and some of the berries. Down here, so it looks like butterflies are for berries. Down here and some of the berries. Over here in the berries. We got the berries going on. 3826 is a P. P. Let's see here. Where are you? I'm trying to think of what would look good with some extra little bling to it. A lot of times that's where you can start looking. Okay, so looks like it's here and some of the flower in inners. You can say that word 5 times fast. Right here in the leaf, right here in the flowers, and I'm sure it's here in the coat, which is where the light would kind of shine on it to give you some glimmers, and then up here in this flower area and inside these flowers as well. And then the last of our unicorn doo-doo, poopy poop, is the 3860, and it's like a little stick with 2 leaves coming out the side. I'm thinking it's probably in the coat somewhere. Let's see here. It's like a darker brown. Oh my gosh, they actually have the female sign in here as a symbol. What is the crazy, put in chat or put down below in the comments, the craziest symbol that you've come across? Let me know. Let me know. All right, we're going to come back to this leafy thing right here because I don't... Oh, here it is. It's like there's black and then there's gray and then this is kind of the brown inside the black and gray. And then I saw some over here and then there's some down here and some right here. So again, it's the shadow, kind of like the 318. Okay, now look at these metallics. You've got a red metallic, a pink metallic, and a gray, like a gunmetal metallic. Oh my gosh, I am super excited about this. Okay, so one of the metallics we're gonna look for it is this red, and it's kind of like the send symbol on Instagram. Okay, that kind of arrow. So it's actually mixing with the butterflies in these berries. So the top part of the berry is going to have your fairy dust, and then some of the bottom parts of your berries are going to be the metallics. Love that. Okay, and then this beautiful magenta metallic, that is going to be a tulip, and those are all in these roses here, which are to die for. Like, I am so excited to do these roses. Absolutely gorgeous. And this color we just need to explore. We're going to pour in here and we're going to explore it together. You ready? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. And then the last but not least, we've got our metallic gray, which is a square, so to speak. And let's see where that baby is hiding. Come to Mama and those who are watching. We want to see. We want to see. Let's see here. Maybe it's up here in the trees. Because you'd want metallic-y in the trees. Trees, where are you? I feel like I'm missing it. You know, if you saw one of my last captured by Radiances, there was like a walk the dog. Like, I mean, where's Waldo? Okay, so it's up here. If I can get on camera. It's up here. It's through here. It's scattered through here. Yeah, so it's a little bit everywhere. It's a little bit everywhere. So I can't wait to keep exploring. Keep exploring. So tell me, which Winter King storybook are you most excited for? Are you going to get Thornwhisper? And what is his name? Is he not the cutest? Not the cutest. So please enjoy this poured glue, beautiful 60 by 80, the Winter King storybook Thornwhisper, licensed by Romantz Art through Captured by Radiance Square. Enjoy, because I know I will. Until next time, be blessed. Take care.